this is really how you want it to be. I know you're looking for excuses to make other plans when he's not around to hold your hand. And all the times that you call me, crying on the phone, please don't sell yourself short, cause you're scared of being alone. I don't wanna see you hurt anymore. No, I don't wanna see you hurt anymore. It kills me every time that we speak. I know that you wanna be free, but you're trapped in your memory. Yeah, it kills me. Oh, baby, I ain't wanna see. You're happier when you with me. Yeah, you're happier when you with me. Take my hand, I need your attention. Fuck your man, I'm teaching my lesson. If we speak in bodies, we can't tell nobody. Fuck you and you know it. Nah. But I know she